Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the Bushmaster AR15. First thing you need to do is unload. That's the first thing you always do on every firearm. Even if you think it's unloaded, make sure it's unloaded. Unloaded guns kill more people than unloaded guns. Alright, now you just gotta remove the upper from the lower. And there's two pins. That's the only thing that's holding them together. You know, mine, this one always sticks. And this pin is actually not supposed to fall out. I lost a spring to it, and I have to order me another spring. So that was not supposed to fall out. I lost it the other day. Now, you can remove the charging handle and the bolt at the same time. Just pull the charging handle back, the bolt will come with it, then you slide the bolt out. Now, you can easily clean the inside of your barrel. And if you have the same setup as I do, instead of having to take this off all the time, I just use Q-tips. You can easily get some oil and put on a Q-tip and reach down in there. It takes a little while, but I think it's a lot easier than breaking down everything. Now if you really want to get down to it, you can actually take apart your bolt. For that, there is a very small pin you have to take out. Once you take this out, that'll let your firing pin come out. Now, there's this little thing right here. You gotta turn it where the long part is parallel with the bolt. That'll come right out now. This will come out. Now you can actually take this apart too. There's a very small little pin that'll push right out. You don't have to take this apart every time you clean it. I just take it apart after every couple hundred rounds. Might be a little corrosion in it. It usually don't get too bad. Now you slide this key back into place where it fits real snug. You slide this back in. That very small pin. If part of it's sticking out of one side, just go to the other side and try to push it in, because it really needs to be smooth. You should not be able to feel that pin. If you can feel it, it needs to go in more, because if you don't, it can damage the rest of the gun. And when you're installing this back into your bolt, this little pin right here only goes in one way. See? You figure out which way it goes in. That hole needs to be on top, lined up with this hole in the bolt. Slide that back. Now you need to get your firing pin. Slide right back into it. Get your small pin you took out. Push it back in. When you push that back in, it's always good to check and make sure that the firing pin won't come out. Make sure you didn't mess up, which that looks fine. Now we have to install the bolt back into the upper. For that, you get your charging handle, you slide in first. You'll notice there's two little open grooves in your upper where your charging handle will go into. Now you just get your bolt, slide into it. Well, before you start, you need to push your bolt forward. It needs to be all the way out. If you don't, the bolt will not go back into the gun. Now the upper is put back together. You slide your lower back on. Push the two pins back in. And this pin, like I said first thing, that pin is not supposed to come all the way out. I just lost a spring. I really need to file this pin down. That pin is just way too tight. For that, you can use sandpaper, or you can use this cloth. This is my favorite thing to use. That's what I'll probably do. Just use that and sand it down some. Make it have a little easier fit going in. Alright, well, thank you for watching. And everybody have a nice day.